I'm here at the home of Mr. Jiang, who's going to make steamed fresh fish from the market, Hoiping style. So let's have a look at what he's cooking.
Không pha mùi là chứ không muốn mùi.
Không chưa không muốn mùi một cái ăn luôn. Mình tiêm bao lâu?
Còn đây mùi nó hôi rồi kìa. À nó hôi, on đây
Hôi có hai ba rồi.
hả?
On đây mày ấy giờ mấy thứ hôi có hai gì.
Okay. So this is a fresh fish from the market. I don't know exactly what it is. You put slivered ginger, add some oil. I don't know exactly what kind of fish it is, but you can steam any kind of fish this way. So clean about 3 stalks of green onions and a handful of cilantro. So the green onions and the cilantro you will put on the top of the fish. So put the fish, you can use the wok to steam the fish. So put some water in the wok, put the fish and cover it. Drain the water from the fish. So put the green onions and the cilantro on. Add some soy sauce over the fish. We'll put the hot oil over the fish. There you have it. Steamed fresh fish from the market here in Hoiping, China. Enjoy. You are here with me at a street market here in Hoiping, China.
Cái bằng kim của nó mềm mà. Còn đây hai ông này mà dưỡng nó quỷ ô cái khoai nó quỷ à. Còn nó quỷ. Ồ chú kia rằng.
Có cái kiến gì lắm những người luôn. Ê, lưu lượng nó có gì ta? Có được cũng là lưu lượng cũng ngoài rồi cái này. Ada orang dah, kita ada orang. Đó. Dù là cái đi chắc là xong những người cũng trên trong cũng như thế này, sáng tấp rồi kia ngã cái rồi.
U đặc liêu, hả mà? U đặc liêu à? Oh, so you make sure to dump the water when you weigh it to get full value here.
Xem gì mà ai siêu kiểu tôi đó.
So bargain now. $12 yuan. So they're gonna bargain a little bit here. So you got a deal here at 12 yuan.
Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my other channel, the Chinese Cooking Channel. So the Chinese Cooking Channel won the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world, and it was also awarded the top 40 best China YouTube channels in the world. Be sure to subscribe by pushing the subscribe button and the notification button as well to get the next video.